Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create your ad images and videos and copy all using AI and run or publish your ad on platforms like Facebook or Google or TikTok, whatever your platform you have chosen. You can create everything right from the copy to images and videos using AI, and in the next few minutes we are going to see exactly how. So for this particular example, I have taken a landing page that we built for a client of ours. So this was about selling fun socks. Awesome fun socks delivered monthly. Surprise yourself and others with fun stylish socks delivered on your terms for just $10 a month. So this is a product landing page where they are selling a subscription, and now I want to create some ads for this particular client all using AI. How do we do that? So for that I will be using a platform called Photo Room. So what is Photo Room? We'll find it out. So Photo Room is the world's most popular AI editor. Create professional images for free with AI from mobile and desktop. Discover our latest AI features, erase any background, create backgrounds instantly with AI, expand images beyond their borders with AI, remove and replace objects with a swipe, edit hundreds of photos in seconds, work better together, blah 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 blah. So yeah, this is Photo Room for you, and what I will be doing today is I'll come to create. So this is where I'm logged into Photo Room, but before that let's look at the pricing that Photo Room has. So Photo Room has a free plan which is not of much use, I would say, but yeah, it's pretty much good. You have a yearly pricing, a monthly pricing, or a weekly pricing. So I think weekly pricing is good since you will not be needing images every day in a month. So yeah, you can go with the weekly pricing, subscribe it, cancel the plan depending on how extensively you have to use it. So we have signed up for one of the plans, and here this is what you get to. Now starting with creating the ad images first. So for that what I do is I have some product images which I will select and upload right here. These are some images of the socks. So that's one that is with a white background. Now what are the options that I have? Here I have the options like generate image with AI, graphics, adding emojis, arrows, blah blah blah, promotion, discounts, and so many different options that you have to add. Then you have the options to add templates. Let's say I want to create a post for social network, that is for my Facebook ad. So Instagram story, post, TikTok post, Instagram reel, YouTube cover, TikTok thumbnail, and so on. So let's select Instagram post. Instagram post. Okay, so it is resizing the element. That's Instagram post. Now you have different options, like see, this is a children product. So since this is a children shocks, we select children products and we select one of the templates right here and we apply this new template, and here we have it. Or we apply this and we have it, or we apply this and we have it. Now you can obviously change these text depending on what exact offer you have, but yeah, that's very much this. You can apply different templates like we just did, or you can also use templates like these, which is not too useful for our case. Now let's say you want to run some ads for the 4th of July. Let's say this. You see how quickly and efficiently it does all what you need. Hello summer. So depending on the theme that you want to use or promote your ad for Fridays. You see how easy it is to create so many images for yourself, for your product. Once you're happy with any one of the templates that we have been using, what we would do is say we let it get applied. No, not nice. Back to school. This looks good. Something's wrong here. Hold on, let's go back. We select the photo that we want to work with once again. Okay, I go back to templates. I select Instagram post, so it would resize accordingly. And once we have done that, we come back. Let's say we select kids, and here we have so many options for kids. Sell kids clothes. Let's say we choose this one. Apply and download. Or we apply this one and download. So depending on the theme that we want to use our ad, like I just said, we can apply different themes and download. If we have specific offers, birthdays, discounts, so for discounts, if you want to look for something, so that's how you create some images. Okay, let's not get into more details of this. Here we have, so this is a complete AI image. Let's see what it does. Kids socks fun, generate. So it generated some. If this is relevant for you, you can use these in your image. Yeah, that's how you create some beautiful, amazing, relevant images for yourself. So we use these, so it gets saved in your library and you downloaded these images. Now when you are done with AI ad images, next is creating AI ad videos. How do we do that? So for this we use a platform called Creatify. I have already signed in, and what it says is URL to video ad maker. Make engaging video ads for your product with a few clicks, and I click on create now. I need the link to the page, so that's my link here. I click on this. It analyzes the URL. It takes the images and a lot of content from the URL. So see, it gave me a try the socks club for only $10. It added a product description and it added a media file as well. Now we go next. Okay, so it is saying to get started, add a minimum of 3 images of one video. This helps us ensure the best quality for your final video. Okay, so I go to edit, I click on upload, and let's say I downloaded a few of those, so I will use these, the images that I just created using Photo Room. I uploaded those images, I save them. 4 images selected. Now I go hit on the next. I select the aspect ratio, video length 30 seconds, aspect ratio 9:16 or 16:9, target audience kids and parents. Next, and AI is now generating ad script for your video, and here it is. So AI script: Gen Z, your fame, ever wondered what it feels like to get super cozy stylish socks with punny vibes at your doorstep, and blah blah blah. Emotional discovery. You can generate more scripts. So let's go with one of these and click on next, and now AI is doing the magic. With the free account you get 10 credits. So 10 credits is equal to 2 videos that you can generate. Let's look at that. Look at it for ourselves. 28%, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. It takes a while because it is generating a video based on the script and the images that you uploaded, and here it is. You get different options to see. product, full screen, green screen effect, quick transition, overcards, avatar bubble, vlog, vanilla, Twitter frame, and so on. Let's select full screen, and here in the preview, if I click on play,
have you ever stumbled upon a treasure chest, but instead
it's still loading. Yeah. I'm not hearing
on
the
a treasure chest, but instead
yeah, here it is now.
have you ever stumbled upon a treasure chest, but instead of gold, it's full of socks? Imagine that.
Now, right now the render quality might not be looking very good because it has not rendered, but once you render the video, it is going to look perfect. But before that, I want to change the avatar. So here are so much realistic looking avatars. Let's choose any one of those. Let's say we choose her. It is doing the work in the background, replacing the avatar. And here we have it. We can change the voice, female, Arya, American accent. So depending on what you are targeting and who you are targeting, you can change the accent, you can change Arya, Emily, Anna, Diana, depending on whoever suits best. Okay. It will take a moment. Changing voice will take a moment. So let it take a moment. And this is done. So this is a 24-second video that is created.
Treasure chest, but instead
okay, the images have not yet come.
That excitement every month with gem socks. Have you ever stumbled upon a treasure chest, but instead of gold, it's full of socks? Imagine that excitement every month with gem socks. Each box is a mystery packed with comfy,
click on render
and smile-sparking jokes. They're not just socks.
So to render without the watermark, you need to upgrade. But let's render with watermark. And we will be getting the final video, but we will be having some watermark on it. So you will have to upgrade to actually download the video and use it. But for now, we will be using the watermark version and download it and use it in our ads. While the video is rendering, what I would do is I will come back here to this page. I'll come to ChatGPT basically. Now I want to create, let's say I want to create ad script for Facebook. Let's say I am selling subscription socks for kids, and I put this. Here are the details. Create some options for headlines, primary text, and description to use the style of, we can name the influencers or the biggest names of Facebook ads like Billie Jean, Alex Hermoji, and so on, etc. And I click enter. By the time ChatGPT creates, let's see if we have the video rendered. It's still 85%. Fine. Here we have, so we have the headline, we have the primary text, and we have the description. Option 2, option 3, and you can ask for more options if you're not happy. But yeah, here you get the ad scripts, you had the ad images, and you are having the ad videos all generated using AI. This did not take you, I think, more than 10 minutes, and you're ready with a perfect ad for yourself. Let's see what video magic has happened. So while we wait, let's also jump onto Facebook ads, and we create an ad campaign that is for sales, manual sales campaign. We create a okay. Here we are into the campaign page, so subscription socks, let's say auction, sales, user catalog, no, next, okay, confirm. Next is the ad set. I can create a product set over here. Daily budget of a small budget because it is for testing purposes. We click on next, select image or video. You have the primary text, you have the headline already, and you have the website URL, your website link, destination is your website. If you have a pixel select created, this is how you select the pixel. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You take the text from here, so the headline, copy this headline, you add a description, you add the primary text, shop now, and you publish. Let's see, we come back here. I think we selected something that is not right. I do not want to use a catalog, okay, which is why this was creating some problem here. I select my Instagram account, single image. Now here I add image, I upload the image that we just created, go to downloads. These are the 3 images that we just created. Okay, we click on next. We have the video, I select okay, recommended, and we click on next, done. We select the primary text. You can have different options added. Facebook will automatically optimize which one works the best, so you can give up to 5 options. We have 3, you can generate 2 more options. Then you can come down, you can create headlines. So this is one of the headline. You can add 5 different headline options again, so on. Then you have the option to add a description. So you have the description here, get offer, you click the give the website link, you create a display link, you do a browser add-on as none. Tracking, you want to track it as a website event, and you simply hit on publish once you are done. And your ad, you will see over here in the preview, your ad is ready. You can similarly do the same for the video that you are downloading. This is done here. Let's click on the video and check for ourselves.
Have you ever stumbled upon a treasure chest, but instead of gold, it's full of socks? Imagine that excitement every month with gem socks. Each box is a mystery, packed with comfy, quirky socks and smile-sparking jokes.
Perfect, isn't it? Simply download it, but it would download with the, so I delete it. It's still downloading, done with the download. Okay, I click on upload. Here it is.
Have you ever stumbled upon a treasure chest, but see for yourself how a simple pair of socks can bring so much joy?
You can edit the video further. If you did not like something or want to change something, or you want to change the aspect ratio, you can do all of that over here. Once done, this is uploaded. Let's see, it won't look good, so we click on next, click on done. It's processing the video. Let's enlarge it. Almost done. Okay, here it is. That's how your ad is going to look like.
Have you ever stumbled upon
different
excitement?
Awesome, isn't it?
With gem socks?
So yeah, that's how you created
comfy, quirky socks and smile-sparking jokes. They're not just socks.
So that's how you created your ad images, ad videos, ad scripts, and put them all together on your Facebook ads, and they are ready to publish. I hope you enjoyed this session. Do let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be here to answer. Thank you.